and then tap on AC.
Yippee! You are most welcome to the lesson section. You and Johnny will have so much fun learning about basic electronics. Your work here is to help Johnny to know more about electronic devices and what they are used for. Click on the Start button to begin. Here are your lessons. Ready? Tap on Jojo to learn about the electronic devices. Scroll and tap to select your favorite lesson. Have you ever seen this before? Is this also an electronic device? This is a microwave oven, and it is an electronic device. Do you know what it is used for? It is used to cook and heat food. Have you seen it being used before? Let's quickly go to the lab so that Kojo can show us how to use a microwave oven. Click on the next button to continue. Hello, I am Kojo. Welcome to the lab. Are you ready for the microwave oven experiment? Do you remember Issy told us that the microwave oven is used to cook and heat food? Let's quickly perform an experiment to use the microwave oven to cook our chicken for a meal. To perform this experiment, we would need a microwave oven and our chicken. Let's begin by clicking on the Start button. There you have your microwave oven and your chicken. Let's start by clicking on the button to open the microwave oven. Wow, you are doing great. Now let's drag and drop our chicken into the microwave oven. The chicken is in the microwave oven. Now click on the button to close it. Thank you, you are really helpful. Click on the button and let's see what happens. Do you see our chicken? Our chicken is getting cooked in the microwave oven. Hooray! Our chicken is ready! Click on the button and let's see our cooked chicken. Yippee! Do you see our cooked chicken? We did a great job. Click on the next button to